we can start to run some tests. In particular, what we would like to run is a test to identify UDS endpoint. In order to do that, I will select endpoint inside the keyword, apply, and then identify the test that can be run. In particular, I will select on the box on which I would like to execute the test, and then customize the execution using the form that we provide to the user. In particular, the user, for example, can select if its target use CanFD or not, or use extended identifier or extended addressing, or in case it is used a single can in normal configuration, as in our case, we can avoid to check this checkbox. But I think that maybe we would like to do is to restrict the scan range and also set up a different timeout in order to have a very effective execution. At this point, the user can save the configuration and run test. In this way, the thing that we have to do at this moment is to wait for the execution to be completed. Okay, now the execution has been completed. I can see the output in the web form. Okay, so we are looking for the UDS endpoint, and what we retrieve now are exactly the UDS endpoint of our target. In particular, the reception ID is 7-bit 0 and the transmission ID is 7-bit 0. Also, the input, in this case, this is the input that we provide, and finally the output. Another thing that the user can do is to extract the output also in JSON format by clicking on download output, but also in PDF format. In order to do this, I have to check the checkbox here and then generate report. In this case, in a few, I will receive the output, okay, in PDF format, and then I can open it directly using a PDF reader. Also, in this case, the user have information on the description, when the test has been executed, the result, and then input and output of the execution.